Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the MidTen Scope Leveling Kit. Alright, so the product's going to be shipped in this black box. Let's take a look inside. So here's one of our levelers here with tools included for mounting. So here's one of the levelers. This goes on a Picatinny rail here. And we also have Allen key and a smaller key here. Then we also have included the magnetic leveler, which also comes with an Allen key. And here's the leveler. All right, let's take a closer look at these levels here. So right off the bat, what I've noticed is that it's made out of solid aluminum construction, so you're not going to have any issues running these on any of your hunting scopes. And you can clearly see how visible the bubbles are. So if I put them down here at the table, you can see they're clearly lined up. And obviously if you have a slight cant, that's going to move over to one side. As you can notice, the size is very small, so it has the compact design, so you can put these away and store them without any issues. Alright, so here's the magnetic leveler here, and just to demonstrate how strong the magnet is, it just picks all that up. So you know this is not going to slip off. As long as you're using iron surfaces, anything magnetic, this will not fall off. If you don't have anything magnetic to put this on, just make sure that you have it as secure as possible. All right, and here I'm going to demonstrate how to install the level on a pick rail. So you're going to grab this leveler here, find a slot on your rail, use the provided tool here. Make sure that it's tight, snug, don't over tighten. You'll see there's no wiggle or play. You can clearly see the visibility of the bubble here. So my goal is to try to have this right in the center before I take my shot. So if I'm off to the side, either side, I know I'm not going to get the most accurate shot there. So you want to make sure that you have this leveled right there. All right, now let's take a look at installation for the magnetic leveler. You want to make sure that this is magnetized to iron surfaces. If not, you risk it falling off. So you want to make sure that whatever you're putting it on has a magnetic device. So example here, you can hear that audible click there. And then so after you have both of these installed, what you want to do is ensure that the bubble is level on the top one here and also the bottom there. So if you're not, obviously you're not going to get the most accurate shot. All right, and here you can see both the levels are in the center, so that means that the scope and rifle are in level. And this is going to add in the most accurate shots at long distances. I appreciate you all watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you on the next one.